My name is Jacob Babu. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon at Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. I also do orthopedic trauma surgery. We don't realize how lucky we are until our quality of life is compromised due to health or musculoskeletal condition. As an orthopedic spine surgeon, I care for the body from the base of the skull down to the toes. Most patients don't realize when they're coming to see a surgeon that 95 to 99% of what we recommend is non-surgical, really emphasizing lifestyle modifications, postural adjustments, medication management, doing whatever we can to help you not only recover from your current condition, but to make your body more resilient to future episodes. Quality of life is so intertwined with how you're feeling and how you're moving and being able to do the activities that make you happy on a daily basis. Not to have a life or existence without pain is very important for my patients, and it's so rewarding for me to help them achieve. Illinois Bone and Joint Institute is a phenomenal organization, just incredible amount of resources to take care of patients and really efficient setup to get everything a patient needs done.